Hello, namaste, kamusta and marhaba. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing fine. Today we are in Shees Park, which is part of the hidden gems of UAE. I'm showing you these parts which are rare and which are out of the touristy parts. So I hope you like this video. Let's start with that. As you can see, it's a nice place for the family, and there is park area there and a barbecue area as well, and you can come here and enjoy the weekend and spend time in this beautiful weather now in UAE. So this is what I wanted to show you. The whole point of these hidden gems of UAE is to show you places which are away from the hustle and bustle of the city. So these places are some things which you will visit and have a nice time with your family, a peaceful time. So I hope you'll come here. So right after Wadi Shees Park, on the same way you take a little bit of off-road road, the dirt park, and then you will reach in this place which is known as the old residential area, also known as Wadi Shees Nature Trail. So up there is the old village. That's how people used to stay in these areas for thousands of years. So let's go and check the old place there. This here is natural spring water, and it's been flowing for thousands of years. That's what they say. So it's fresh and clean. So that's how all this area is green, because the water from here irrigates the plants. So this is how a oasis feels like. So green. cannot imagine that this is a desert country. So it's worth visiting here and check out the location. You can actually find lot of videos of Dubai, of UAE with all the glitz and glamour, but my intention in my videos is to show you things which you will usually not see in touristy videos. So these are places where rarely anyone has seen, and that's why I call it as hidden gems of UAE. So we will continue to find and explore places which are unique and beautiful, such as this. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If you do, please do like, share and comment. I read all your comments, and thanks for your feedback for the last video, and thanks for all your supports. Thanks for subscribing. So stay safe, stay blessed, keep going, and all the best. Thanks for watching.